Jack in the Box presents The Adventures of Jack the Clown and the whole Jack in the Box bunch. As today's story begins, Jack is serving lunch to his friends.
Okay, fellers, here's yours, and here's your order, Hamburger Meister.
Thanks, Jack. You know something, Mr. Secret Sauce Agent? That secret sauce is pretty delicious. What do you put in there to make it taste so good?
If I told you, Hamburger Meister, it wouldn't be a secret anymore.
Oh, hey, Jack. Here comes a customer. Here comes a customer.
Why, that's my Uncle Trilby onion ring thing. Hello, Uncle Trilby.
Hello, young persons.
Is he the one who has a haunted house?
No, small fry, but somebody used to think it was a haunted house.
Yeah, I remember that story.
I never heard it. Is it a secret?
Oh, I wish it was. Woo-hoo. Oh, it's very embarrassing. Very embarrassing. Well, come on, Jack. Tell us what happened.
Okay, fellas. It happened a few weeks ago when Onion Ring Thing and I went to visit...
And so Jack told the story of the night he and Onion Ring Thing had gone over to see Uncle Trilby. Just about the time they were getting ready to go home.
Oh, goodness me. Thunder and lightning. Thunder and lightning, Uncle Trilby. Yes. I was afraid that a storm might come up. I think you young persons had better spend the night.
Gee, that's nice of you, Uncle Trilby, but we accept.
Oh, yeah, we accept. Well, good night, young persons. I hope you sleep well.
Good night, Uncle. Well, Onion Ring, shall I turn out the light?
Oh, no, you better leave it on, Jack. You better leave it on.
Say, don't tell me that you're afraid of the dark.
Okay, I won't tell you. Oh, goodness. What's that noise?
Just a house.
Oh, yeah, sure, just a house. Oh, but it's probably a ghost. That's what it is, a ghost. Oh, listen, Jack, I gotta go home. I forgot something.
What'd you forget?
I forgot to stay there. Oh, let me go.
Onion Ring, you're just being silly.
Oh, wait a minute. Listen to that. Silly, eh?
Take it easy.
Oh, it's a burglar. That's what it is. It's a burglar.
Will you take it easy? I better call Uncle Trilby. Oh, Uncle Trilby!
Yes? What is it, young person? What took him so long, Jack? What took him so long?
Uncle Trilby, would you explain to Onion Ring that the noises he's hearing are being made by your house and not by ghosts or burglars?
I'd be delighted, young persons. Maestro, music, please! If sometimes you hear noise at night that makes you feel afraid, there's nothing to be frightened of. That's how a house is made. You think a house is standing there as solid as a rock, but it's really changing all the time and ticking like a clock.
With a rattle, thump, and a crunch, and a pop.
Remember that a house must take so many kinds of weather, both hot and cold and wet and dry. They often go together. Now houses feel the temperature the same as people do. A house can shiver and perspire. It's kind of breathing too.
With a rattle, thump, and a crunch, and a pop.
When wood gets wet, it swells up. Iron shrinks when it gets cold. And bricks get twice as heavy with the water they can hold. Hot tar gets soft and paint expands. Believe me, girls and boys, it's all this pushing, pulling, swelling, causing all the noise.
With a rattle, thump, and a crunch, and a pop.
So picture all the changes that go on in every way when that big house cools down at night after a sunny day. And now that I've explained it, I hope you see the light, and that you'll smile and not be scared at noises in the night.
With a rattle, thump, and a crunch, and a pop. With a rattle, thump, and a crunch, and a pop.
So tell us, Jack, after Uncle Trilby explained the noises, did old Onion Face here go to sleep?
Oh, sure. Didn't you, Onion Ring?
Oh, slept like a baby. Just like a baby.
Well, I'm glad we heard that story, Jack. Now I won't be scared by noises in the night.
Neither will I.
I was never really scared,
Me neither.
Yeah, it was just a house.
And so we leave our Jack in the Box bunch. And if you want to hear what happens when the entire gang goes to visit Uncle Trilby's ranch, be sure and get your next record of the adventures of Jack at your neighborhood Jack in the Box restaurant.